In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix ChatGPT file uploads are not working. Let's get started. First, check the file format. ChatGPT supports common formats such as PDF, Docs, CSV, PPTX, and TXT. Some files are not currently supported, so export them as PDF or Docs first. Individuals file can be up to 512 MB, while images have a 20 MB limit. Spreadsheet can be approximately 50 MB, and text document files have a 2 million token limit. Next up, reload the page. Click on this icon for several times. This might fix the issue. Next thing you wanna do is try Incognito Mode. Click on three dots, select the option Try Incognito window, search for ChatGPT. Once you're on the website, from here you can try to upload the documents or photos. This might fix your issue. Or else, what you wanna do is clear cache for your browser. For that, click on three dots, navigate to the option settings, go to privacy and security, click on site settings, click on view permission. Now here, search for ChatGPT. Once it appears, click on the trash icon for it and complete the deletion. Next thing you wanna do is disable browser extension, temporarily disable ad blockers, privacy extensions, VPNs, or other browser extensions, and try the upload again. Network filters, proxies, and firewalls can also interfere with file uploads. Likewise, ensure the browser you are using is up to date. Free users are currently limited to 3 file uploads per day, while other plans have higher rolling limits. Failed upload attempts can sometimes count toward the upload limit. So that's it. By following these steps, your problem will be fixed. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.